Get ready with me as I prepare for an immunization section with mothers and their babies. Alright, so I'll prep my uniform this way, and I have to pack my hair. Of course, I won't leave it tattered. I need to pack this hair. I've not had lots of time to go to the salon to make my hair. It has been a roller coaster week for me. Of course, my and my you don't need to wear dangling earrings. I'll be wearing this to work. Don't worry about my uniform, I hung it somewhere. Iron actually. So where I hanged it, looking this way on the belly area, my abdominal area. Of course, my Crocs. This is my little way to just do my makeup. Yeah. And of course this, just a top up. And that is it for my GRWM. How do I look? Down to my Crocs. I won't be using my cap today. I don't feel like. I'm going to be wearing this and my Crocs. I hope you can see. I'm almost falling. That's my Crocs there. And this is my look after my touch-up makeup. Bye. This was me already at my place of work. This is a couch. I'll be taking care of pregnant women as well, giving them TD, just immunization for them. This is a weighing scale for babies and a safety box for sharps, waist bin, the rush for vaccine. I'm going to transfer it to a Geostar, a hand sanitizer, and the tally sheet where I'll be recording every baby I give. That's the data book. We have the child immunization card. We also have the immunization register. That's for data purpose. And then I prep everywhere, all set for mothers. I was now feeling myself. I was just feeling myself because this look is something else. It was looking fresh. I was looking all fresh and ready for my babies, ready for mothers. So it was actually a fun section, and this was me still feeling myself, smiling to my camera. Yeah. And it was really a hectic week for me, but I just have to put on that smile for the sake of those babies I am taking care of. I have to put up that smile. So this is the entrance to my office where I'll be taking their weight and giving them the required vaccine.